I am water. 2 months. I am simply just there. I am something they just take for granted. But there is only so much of me, and more of them every single day. I start as rain in the mountains, flow to the rivers, and stream and end up in the ocean. Then the cycle begins again, and it will take my 10,000 years to get back to the state. I am in now, but 2 months I am just water, just there. Where will humans find me when there are billions more of them around? Where will they find themselves? Will they wage wars over me like they do or everything else? That's always on option. But it's not the only option. I am home of many aquatic animals. All are polluting me by washing clothes and utensil in water and by putting plastic in river. Many animals are dying. Save water, save life. Nature not need people. People need nature.